Good morning, kiddos. It's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to go through our sort today. This sort is a difficult one because all of the ending sounds, the final syllable sounds, are ul. So you'll see that in your headers today. So you're really going to have to study to see which ending do we put on to make the ul sound. So let's go ahead and go through our words. To start, we have cattle, until, total, novel, couple, travel, signal, and evil. Then we have model, level, saddle, fossil, cancel, special, journal, pencil. Then we have final, April, angel, metal, fragile, vowel, angle, and local. I want to point out two words to you. Sorry, let's switch this over to highlighter. Here we go. I want to point out two words to you today. I want you to focus on angle and angel. Angel has a soft G followed by the EL. Angle has the hard G followed by the LE. So those obviously have two different spellings and two different meanings. So you're going to really want to pay attention to that. Also, April is the name of a month, so you will need to capitalize that if that happens to be on your spelling test. So let's go ahead and take a look at our headers. We have the LE as in the word cattle, so a group of cows. Then we have EL as in model, like a model airplane. And then we have AL as in final. And then we have IL as in until. So the sort for this week is going to be really easy, finding those endings and putting them with the correct header. However, the studying part is really going to be important because these are not easy to remember why they end in LE, EL, AL, or IL. So go ahead and you can start your sort. Just make sure to study hard this week for your test. Happy sorting!